sorry. It's normal for me to have a leak. Ugh.
Proof that she loves me more than Tony. Tony started walking and she wouldn't follow her, and then I came out and she stopped. She's hoping that I call her. No, Tony's calling her. But Misty wants to play with me.
You're not gonna come with me?
So this just got more complicated than I wanted it to. I thought I could just lay the floor around the flange. I looked this up online. There was quite a bit of conflicting information whether or not I could do this, but I found that the most dominant answer was the floor should go under the flange. So to make sure, I called the plumber, and the plumber company told me straight up, the floor goes under the flange. So I gotta check if I can remove this flange. I think this is gonna work because the flange has enough wiggle room for me to run the floors under without having to cut it and install a new one. And since the room is small enough, one way I double checked my math was by laying down a scrap piece and marking it across the floor to see where the flooring is gonna land on each wall. Before I started on the floors, I needed to remove the baseboards because some of them were damaged. You know what I'm thinking? There's a lot of dead space over here. What if I like turn it into like hidden storage? It'll look like a panel, you know, maybe something decorative or whatever, but then you can open it. And this needs to be open so that the plumbers can get to it and I don't have to take out a whole wall next time. I don't know, we'll see. Might as well, already opened the wall, might as well do something pretty with it. But not yet, I need to finish my bedroom first. Okay.
Jennifer's posted an update.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go have lunch and go watch some Jenna Fibs.